Alright, what is up guys, welcome back to another video. We are just taking a quick look at Quant here, and as we can see, it does look as though Quant has been having a very decent run recently. Obviously I haven't looked at this crypto in a little while, but from what we can tell from the chart here, ever since the new year it has mimicked the overall structure of the market pretty damn well, hasn't it? You can see quite clearly here, as we said, you know, in our previous videos months and months ago, Quant has been ranging essentially between this 0.38 and this 0.50 Fibonacci levels here and here. Ever since we came down and lost support from that really nice run that we were having throughout the bear market, really, you can see here for Quant, we had the all-time high up here, and then obviously we were stuck under this resistance for a good while. We kept touching it, and then we actually got that breakout back test, the cleanest breakout back test and continuation you'll probably see on, you know, any chart really. It's a really clean little move to the upside, and Quant had this really nice little formation that it was forming, really, didn't it? A very nice uptrend ever since we came down and made that swing low back down here around $40, which so basically the price came back down into this key area of structure here, and essentially after that we got a nice little bounce, didn't we? A very nice bounce to the upside here. I obviously drew the Fibonacci in from the high to that current low of the bear market, and you can see Quant was having a really nice little run, wasn't it? Making high highs and high lows. It had a decent retracement here after breaking that 0.23. We came up into the 0.38, had a bit of a rejection, came back up, smashed it and came up to the 0.50 where we got rejected. We came back down into this area here again, and we actually kind of had a bit of an overextension past the 0.38, but we came back inside it again as support, and then another big overextension, smashing the 0.50, and then all the way up with a massive overextension past the 618. You can see overall we had the higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, and it looked as though Quant, you know, realistically it could have had a really nice move, couldn't it? Where it just continued to the upside again. But obviously with the FTX collapse, we did see it finally lose that key area of support. There was a very nice previous key area here, this big orange line that I did draw in. You can see this is a key area of previous support flipped into resistance here, and we did break that resistance again here, but you can see we lost it as support here, along with losing that trend line as well. So we head down to the next key level, which was that $100 level at the bottom of this range formed in between the 0.38 and the 0.50 here. Pretty obvious. You can see support, resistance, support, and then obviously we got this nice run up to the upside here. I was holding on to this long position, and it did run to my target in the end, although I didn't update it because I haven't looked at Quant in a little while with the markets being so quiet. But you can see very clearly here we did run up to the target, which was the top of that range again. We got a little bit of a rejection here, but as you can see very clearly got the breakout, the back test of this range of the 0.50, finally getting a bit of joy and continuation, and then we ran all the way up pretty much into that recent swing, that recent area of support that was lost. You can see we hit it here and then had a decent retracement, which is fair enough after such a long, prolonged area of green candles for Quant there. You can see it just basically continued to the upside non-stop. Had a decent retracement back down to, you guessed it, that Fibonacci level at the 0.50, basically the breakout, the back test, and now looking like we might be getting a little bit of continuation. Obviously Bitcoin looking quite bullish right now, to be honest, and you can see with regards to Quant, it started to pick up off that low after retesting here, hasn't it? We've reset on the RSI as well, which is all very interesting. And also in terms of the volume here, we have just had a little, you know, a bit of subsiding volume, shall we say. A decent push and then a little bit of a cool down, and then we could be looking at another decent push potentially if we do get a nice continuation. So overall, I'm feeling quite optimistic that Quant is doing what it needs to do, isn't it? And it's doing very well, to be honest. Very cleanly got the breakout, the back test here, and realistically you'd probably expect a continuation, in my opinion, over the next few weeks up to that 618 level at the $175 there, unless the market does have a big rollover in general. So that would be my analysis for today, guys. Thank you very much for watching. As always, I will be looking to maybe put a long position in on the 0.50 here if we retrace to this level, and if we do head up to that 618 level, I'll probably be looking to take a short position in that area if we do see either of those levels being hit. So that is it for today, guys. Thank you very much for watching indeed. As always, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.